This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take middle wickets. To begin, focus on understanding the batsman's stance and preferred scoring areas. Identify their strengths and weaknesses early in their innings. A key strategy involves bowling a consistent line and length, aiming for the top of off stump or just outside. This creates doubt and forces errors, leading to crucial dismissals and putting pressure on the opposition. For effective middle wicket bowling, precision is paramount. Aim to pitch the ball consistently on or just outside the off stump, maintaining a full or good length. Incorporate subtle variations such as a well-disguised slower ball or a slight change in seam position. These small adjustments can deceive the batsman, leading to mistimed shots or bold dismissals. Strategic field placement is crucial for taking middle wickets. Consider setting a close-in catching field, perhaps with a short leg and silly point, to capitalize on edges or mishits. Also, place fielders in positions that cut off easy singles, building pressure. For instance, a deep square leg and fine leg can prevent boundaries, forcing batsmen to take risks. The mental game is as vital as technique. Maintain unwavering focus and patience, especially during long partnerships. Continuously observe the batsman's movements and shot selection, adapting your strategy as needed. Execute your bowling plans with confidence, trusting your skills. Remember, one well-executed delivery can change the entire complexion of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.